Alright, welcome into the channel, everybody. We are cracking another box of Disney Lorcana. This time it's Rise of the Floodborn, the second set of Disney Lorcana. A couple big cards in this one to look out for. Of course, any enchanted will do. Didn't see an enchanted in our first box, so hopefully this second box is waiting with the goodies. So we'll get right to it. Again, I will let Taylor start.
Yay. Let's go with a beast.
Alright.
And we got scissors this time instead of trying to open it.
And I'll grab a Mulan set up for my pack.
I'm always scared to cut the cards by accident.
Yes, don't do that. That will make me sad.
Ooh, this one's Minnie Mouse. So we got Minnie Mouse's hand.
Alright.
It goes upright, I think.
I feel like they should have probably put more than one puzzle in each set.
They really should go like that now.
We'll show the puzzle off at the end when we move the box.
Keep it there. Okay. So we have a Gaston.
Alright.
A rabbit.
One from Winnie the Pooh.
Sneezy, very allergic.
Alright, so we got some different movies already.
Jiminy Cricket. Boone. Who's this?
Doesn't look familiar. Mulan, maybe?
Maybe. Charge. This is Rhea.
Oh, maybe it was from Rhea.
This is Rhea and the Last Dragon.
Alright, Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts.
Uncommon.
Robin Hood. We got chest here.
That's cool.
Cat. Got a rare Gaston.
Alright.
A rare Lady oh no. Is that?
Yeah, that's a super rare.
Super rare Lady Tremaine. And a Snow White common. That's actually really cute.
So it's kind of funny that they put a super rare in every pack. Because is it really super rare if you're guaranteed one in every pack? I'm not really sure at that point. Improvise. Cruella de Vil. Hey, people don't want to hear you doing that in the background.
What? Picking at my nails?
Picking at your nails. Piglet, very small animal. Winnie the Pooh. Wow, look at that artwork. He's like the honey wizard. Oh my god. It is called Honey Wizard. Jesus.
Some honey isn't spelled right.
Minnie Mouse zipping around. Look at that sweet scooter she's got. Beast, the forbidding recluse. Moving into the uncommons now. Card Soldiers, full deck, 5/5 for 5. Mouse Armor. Belle, Bookworm. A weight set. Whenever you play a character with 4 power or more, you may pay 1 ink to draw a card. That's not too bad. You know, if you're running a lot of high power cards in a deck, that could probably draw you a lot of cards over in the game. And our super rare Beast, the Selfless Protector. And okay, we got a common. Oh,
What did you get?
Minnie Mouse zipping around as our common foil. Not too bad. It's a pretty nice one, actually.
Cut me a pack.
All right. It's a Queen of Hearts. Coming up for you, madame.
What puzzle did you get?
And I will grab a
What puzzle?
Queen. Oh, I didn't even put out the puzzle. I got the same one.
Hey, I got a hand. I got one hand.
All right.
We have Hypnotize.
Ooh.
I'm not sure where this is from.
Look into my eyes.
The Knock. Water Spirit. Oh, there's the Snow White card that I got before.
All right.
We got an Elsa.
Gloves off. It's ready to duel.
Lady Tremaine. Magic Broom.
Alright.
Nick Wilde.
Into the uncommons.
We got Pinocchio. A little tree on his nose. Nana. Darling Family Pet. I'm not sure. Do you know what movie?
Yeah, that,
You don't know?
No, I do know, but it's just, yeah, not off the top of my head. It's so
We
familiar,
got
though.
Cinderella.
Pete. And come on. Okay.
Donald Duck.
Perfect
cute.
gentleman.
He's ready for a date.
Yeah.
What is the rarest card you can get in this set?
The rarest
Isn't it a
card-
Cinderella?
I think, yeah, you're right.
It's a
Yeah.
Cinderella.
And it was $250. But, I mean, come
Pretty
on.
expensive.
We could dream big, though.
Yep.
James, the role model. Eudora. Geez, that's a name, eh?
Yep.
Eudora. 9 power. She's got a big butt.
Whoa.
I said it. Croquet and mallet. I like that artwork.
Coquette mallet.
Fidget. Radigan's henchman. Jafar, the royal Fizier. I don't trust him, sire. During your turn, this character gains evasive. Oh, it's a sneaky. For two ink, that's pretty good. Some good stats. Rhea, warrior of
Ooh, we
Kumantra.
got
Is
a
that my
Rhea. I want to get...
Eli LaBeouf? You
That
did that? You did that.
I'm sorry.
Donald Duck, perfect gentleman. I got a pack wrapper in my coffee. Madam Mim. 5 ink. Alright. Some interesting artwork there. I like the colors. Alice, the growing girl. Oh, okay, there's a legendary. First legendary I open anyways. And, oh, we got a foil rare. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
What's your puzzle card?
Bibbidi
Did you already
bobbidi
put it
boo.
down? Puzzle card.
Yeah.
Another one of those. My puzzle card is another swimming one.
Wow.
I think she's a scuba
What's
diver.
with the tokens in this? It seems like last box we opened
Is
all
there-
just feet and then...
Oh, for a second I thought there was 2 different puzzles because of the 2 different images. But no, it's the same puzzle. Alright.
Alright.
Verana, she's the Fang Chief. I think that is from Rhea and the Last Dragon. Cruella de Vil, Fashionable Cruiser. Sleepy, not enough. Merlin, he is the crab. Go the distance. It's a flying horse. Prince Naveen. 4 dozen eggs. It's a lot of eggs. Snow White. Blue Fairy. Teeth and Ambitions. That's a cool card. Another scar.
Looking devious
Ooh,
there.
a legendary Belle.
Oh, back-to-back legendaries.
And a Gaston. Look at that, shiny.
Cool, cool. Cool.
Let me go in and take a beast.
Try a bed in the morning.
Can we try and get like 3 rares in here?
Are we going for 3 legendaries in a row? Come on.
I'm trying to fix it so there's 3 rares.
There we go.
Look at that. We got 3 rares on the top. Let's go.
Yeah, we got another hand, so just all the same tokens. Flynn Rider. Jasmine, Heir of Agrabah, rather. Happy, good-natured. Jiminy Cricket. Mulan. Last Cannon. Sardine Can.
Sardine can.
Rapunzel. This is one of the uncommons I'm probably going to end up putting in my deck, I think.
It's like a pretty artwork.
Madam Mim. Prince Charming is our rare. Dinner Bell is our second rare. And an uncommon, Mother Gothel. What have you done? This character enters play with 3 damage. So, I mean, she goes perfect with Rapunzel. Perfect.
Alright, we got a head.
Alright.
Alrighty.
That's our 3rd puzzle piece. We got almost the complete one.
Alright. Verona. Jasmine. Whoops. We got a Mulan. She's free spirit. Chip the teacup. He's a gentle soul. Mulan, but she's a soldier in training here. Donald Duck. Deep sea diver. Kind of what Minnie is doing down there. You Can Fly. It's a action song. Ellie La Bouffe. Big Daddy. Alrighty. A Bounce.
Mrs. Judson.
Housekeeper.
Super rare.
Yasma. And Tiana. She's a waiter.
Alright. And I believe...
Our dog is whining. I will be right back.
And that is our last puzzle piece right there.
You got it?
Yep.
Let's go.
So we're all set up to show you guys the wonderful little puzzle after this. Basil of Baker Street. Oh, it's a great mouse detective. I think that's what that dog was from. Rapunzel. Remove up to 2 damage from chosen character. So she's definitely focused around healing. All of her cards have to do with healing. Dr. Facilier. Fidget. Let the Storm Rage On. Pinocchio for a first uncommon. Dopey. One of the 7 dwarves. We've seen a bunch of them. I don't know if we saw all 7 yet.
Whoa, GD Hops looks weird there.
What's so weird looking about her?
I don't know. She has like 10 pounds of makeup on.
Perplexing Signposts. That's from Alice in Wonderland. And we got Lumiere, 7 ink, 7/7, hot-headed candelabra. Jeez, he's a candle you don't want to mess with. And we got a rare. Ooh, Honest John as our foil. Not too bad. The old fox from Pinocchio.
Alright.
Oh.
I did not take a pack before, so
Alright.
I must wait as I cut.
Let's both catch up here.
Alright. Let's see if I can get these cards out.
Yeah, these packs are a little bit tighter, I think, than the first set.
Whoopsies.
A little harder to get the cards out.
We'll get another hand. You put your puzzle piece on top of mine.
Oh, rude.
I know. Okay. Arthur is a trained swordsman. We got Owl. Sneezy. So we've seen 3. We've seen Sneezy, Sleepy, and what was the one you just opened?
Dopey.
Dopey. So we got 3 out of the tons of them. 7 of them. Fairy Godmother with her pumpkin. Lady Tremaine. Benja. He is from Raya and the Last Dragons. Guardian of the Dragon Gem. Wait, did I say Last Dragons? Whoops. Launch. Fairy Godmother. 0 to Hero. Flynn Rider is a rare. Pinocchio is a rare.
Nice.
And we got Falling Down the Rabbit Hole.
Is a foil rare.
That's nice. It's all blue.
So Raya was a 3D movie, though, right?
Yeah, I think it was.
So like all the artwork, even the 3D movies, they've redone in like painting style, so that all the cards have matching artwork, which I really appreciate. Basil,
That's cool.
hold still. And it's, yeah, you get to see characters in a different art style than you normally would. Elsa, gloves off. Tigger, one of a kind. Look at that Superman costume he's got, ready to swoop in. Prince Naveen, penniless royal.
Oops, I just dropped half the cards.
No, the most diabolical scheme. Better not been the enchanted. Jafar, dreadnought. Bell, bookworm. Alright, coming up on the rare. We got Chief Bogo, or Bogo, I'm not really sure how you would pronounce that. We have got...
It's Bogo.
Bogo?
Yeah.
Basil, the great mouse detective.
Basil?
Or Basil, yeah.
See, you can pronounce things
And
sometimes.
Jasmine.
Shiny Jasmine.
Nice. Nice.
Alright. So I dropped some of my cards, so some may be out of order, but that's okay. Peter Pan's oh yeah, my puzzle. I got another foot right there. So we have one head and 2 feet, and the rest are just arms. Peter Pan's dagger. Ooh, that's a nice Rapunzel card.
Nice.
Oh yeah, the lanterns were from... You said Moana, they're from
yeah,
Rapunzel.
Yeah, messed up. Cusco.
Wanted llama.
Improvise. Yeah.
Magic broom.
Oh, you got an upgrade there.
Merlin. The goat.
Alright.
Bleh. Doc.
Alright.
So we got 4 of them so far, the dwarfs. Another Judy Hopps. Ooh.
Rodigan's marvelous trap.
There's so many freaking things in them.
Look at...
World's greatest criminal mind.
A lot going on in that artwork.
I can't even tell what that is.
And what's the shiny gonna be?
Whoop. It's an Elsa.
Close off.
So we're still looking for Cinderella.
Okay, we got another Mickey head, or mini
Oh,
head.
there we go. We got 2 puzzles.
Radigan, the criminal mastermind. Gumbo pot. The Queen, regal monarch. Chip, the teacup. Baloo, fun-loving bear. Hercules, hero in training. Sword in the stone as our first uncommon. Paka, the village leader. Tiana, true princess. The huntsman is our rare. Whenever this character quests, you may draw a card, then choose and discard a card. Not too bad. 1/1. Not a big body, but King Louis. 7 ink. 3/8. Lay it on the line. Whenever another character is banished, you may remove up to 2 damage from this character. Interesting. And our rare, a foil rare, we've got a Hercules, divine hero. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
But not the Cinderella.
And where's the enchantments? Come on.
Alright.
Where are they hiding?
Got Panic. He looks like a little devil. Got James, the role model. The Queen, regal monarch. Croquette Mallet, or Crockett mallet. I'm French.
Crockett.
Crockett. Peter Pan's dagger.
The chicken nuggets.
Oh, there's a Cinderella, but it's not the one we want. There's a Rhea.
Alright. And the uncommons here.
Jafar.
The Dreadnought.
Pain.
Okay.
He's an imp.
Oh, what's going on here? We got a super rare
The Queen.
and a legendary.
Ooh, Namari. She's from Ran the Last
So we
Dragon.
had a super rare and a legendary in that pack.
Ooh, Merlin.
And it's a pretty good
Alright.
uncommon. Good uncommon to have in foil. Next up, we have got Hypnotize as our first common. Rabbit, Reluctant Host. A Piglet. Very small animal. Piglet's so adorable. Merlin, Squirrel. Boone, the Precious Entrepreneur. Beast, the Forbidding Recluse. We have got Fairy Godmother here to help as our first uncommon. Zero to Hero. Nick Wild, Wily Fox.
Get your popsicles.
When you play this character, you may return an item card named Popsicle from your discard to your hand. Alright, well.
Get your popsicles.
Lucifer, the Cunning Cat. Noi, the Orphan Thief. Alright, what is it going to be? We got a super rare. A shiny super rare. Mickey Mouse, the Friendly Face. Alright, I haven't seen this super rare yet. That's pretty cool. Glad you are here.
I thought we had
Have
that
we
same
seen this
one, but not shiny.
Whenever this character quests, you pay 3 less for the next character you play this turn. Ooh, that's a big reduction. All right, moving on.
Okay.
Moving on.
I got another hand for the puzzle. Alrighty. Enchantress. She's an unexpected judge. Duke Weaselton. He is the small-time cook. Mulan, who is a free spirit. Legend of the Sword in the Stone. We got Araya. Tiana, but she's not a foil this time. Card Soldiers. It's the full deck. Li Shang. Ring the Bell. Banish chosen damage character.
Winnie the Pooh, that's nice.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh's got some good artwork in this.
The Queen, which is a super rare, and Sardine Can.
Wait, what was the first rare? It was
The first rare.
Oh, Winnie Pooh. Winnie the Pooh was the first
Yeah.
rare. Right, okay. All right, not too bad, not too bad.
Which one do I want?
All right, first up, we have got Flynn Rider as our first common. Basil. I was about to say Basil again. Grumpy.
Oh, we got
The
how
bad
many now?
temper.
5?
I believe 5, but I mean, we might have had other ones before that too. I wasn't fully paying attention. Merlin the squirrel. So Merlin's just everything. He's a goat. He's a squirrel. Felicia, always hungry. That's one cat you don't want to mess with. Jafar, royal vizier. Caterpillar, 3-drop, 1/3 with question for 3. Last stand. Banish chosen character who is challenged this turn. Binding contract. Tap. What? Tap and tap one of your characters or exert chosen character.
What?
It's a lot of text. Strength of a Raging Fires are rare. Second rare, we've got Little John And our foil is a common Hypnotize.
No way.
Wow.
Here's my puzzle card.
Ending with a Hypnotize, starting with Hypnotize.
Yep, except not foil. Whoa. We got Rabbit. Got Piglet, who's a very small animal. We got Merlin as a squirrel. We got Bone. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Bone. We're gonna call him Bone. Jafar. Mother Gothel. Withered and Wicked. The Prince Who Never Gives Up. Daisy Duck's Secret Agent. Whenever this character quests, each opponent chooses and discards a card.
That's just rude,
Minnie
man.
Mouse, who is right there.
Yeah. It's the puzzle Minnie Mouse.
Queen of Hearts.
And our
Little Shine.
foil is Elise Shang. Uncommon. So, starting my pack off, we've got that token.
We're close to done.
First comment, and we've got Ray, Easygoing Firefly. Sorry, try to move out of the way.
You gotta get the scissors, you know.
Sharing the scissors here.
It's a popsicle.
Popsicle.
Come get your popsicle.
Painting the roses red. We're painting the roses red. Off with his head. Dr. Facilier, a savvy opportunist. Minnie Mouse zipping around. Zing zong. Cinderella, knight in training. Fang crossbow is our first uncommon. Nana, darling family pet. Pinocchio, talkative puppet. When you play this character, you may exert chosen opposing character. He's telling lies. He's telling lies. Look at his nose go. The Sorcerer spellbook as our rare. Tuk Tuk, our second rare. And our foil is a common. Lady Tremaine, the overbearing matriarch.
I dropped some cards. Okay. What is my puzzle card? We got another head right there. Alright. So in each corner there's a scuba diver of Minnie.
Yeah.
Oh right, we get it. Our dog is
Nobody's
lying.
paying attention to you, Coco.
Alright. Nothing to hide. We got Panic. Underworld Imp. Imp is a demon. We got Grumpy again. I'm Stuck. Winnie the Pooh. That's a nice background. All the purple. Go the Distance.
Yeah, yes.
Benja. Mother Gothel again. Mouse Armor. We got Bounce. Got Goofy. Ooh, we got a Cinderella. Not the one we wanted though. And
Benja is our foil.
is it just me or does this one look kind of sparkly?
Yeah.
All right.
We hear you, Coco.
I will go pay attention to her.
Queen of Hearts, quick-tempered. Duke Weaselton, the small-time crook. Happy, the good-natured. I'm Stuck. Oh, pooey. Tigger, one of a kind. Last canon. Alright, moving into our uncommons. We've got sorry. Minnie Mouse, the stylish surfer.
Ooh, stylish.
Look at her go. Lawrence, the jealous manservant.
Whoa.
That's quite the title. Bucky, squirrel squeak tutor. And we've got a Cogsworth, the grandfather clock. Arthur, I believe actually this is one of the better super rares. I think
Really?
I think this was the most expensive card, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, you can check.
And we've got the Knock, which is our foil common card.
Okay. So ooh, wait, my puzzle card, of course. I'm starting off with Enchantress. Unexpected Judge. Get your popsicle. Jumbo Pop, or that's Redwood. Paint the roses red. We got Merlin, Crab. We got Baloo, the fun-loving bear. Tiana, or Tiana, however you guys say it.
Into the uncommons we go.
The most diabolical scheme. Pick a fight. That's Wreck-It Ralph. We haven't got one of him yet. Ring the bell.
And a rare.
Grand Duke. Ooh, super rare. Ooh. Choose your cat.
Some sweet artwork.
And the last canyon.
Foil common card. Alright. Coming down to the end here. Ray, easygoing Firefly. Nothing to hide. Eudora, the accomplished seamstress. With her big butt. I said it. Cusco, wanted llama. What did you call me? Hercules, hero in training. Hey, persistent presence. He got off the boat, y'all. Oh, there we go. Another Rapunzel uncommon. I like. Fang crossbow. And what do we got here? Whoa, that's a name. Hiram Flaversham, the toy maker. Okay. Then we've got Shere Khan. That's a pretty good villain. And what do we got? Ooh, Winnie the Pooh. Look at that artwork. Phenomenal artwork. All right, guys.
I'm trying to check something.
Coming down to the last two cards here. Get this box out of here. We can get our Minnie Mouse up here.
Weird. I'm trying to get this out of the pack right now. We got another little foot. Oopsies, I dropped a card. We got her Tegan. We got Basil. We have got Snow White. Winnie the Pooh. Felicia, I don't know. We got Donald Duck as a deep sea diver, just like Minnie. We got, ooh, this is a nice hey.
Yeah, nice.
Got another Dopey. Launch.
Alright, coming up on Last Pack Magic.
Sleepy Flute.
Prince John. Oh, coming. Piranha. Alright. Alright, guys. Last Pack Magic here. Let's rub some extra luck on it. Donald Duck coming along with bringing his pillow, sleepwalking. Owl, logical lecturer. Hold Still, Fairy Godmother, What Did You Call Me, Benja, Guardian of the Dragon Gem, Isma, Without Beauty Sleep, that's our first uncommon, Cruella de Vil, Perfectly Wretched, Bashful, Hopeless Romantic. Oh gosh, this character can't quest unless you have another 7 dwarfs character in play. Oh, okay.
Ooh, we got 6.
I thought it was gonna say all 7 dwarfs in play. That was
Well, we got 6 of the dwarves.
Merlin the rabbit. He is in every animal form possible in these cards. What do we got next? Mulan, Reflecting, and we're coming up on our last foil. Oh, it's a super rare. What's it gonna be? Isma, Scary Beyond All Reason, Shift 4, 4, 4, Cruel Irony. When you play this character, shuffle another chosen character card into their player's deck. That player draws 2 cards. It's an interesting ability, and our token is that. So, cool. Another deck with no enchanted. So that's 2 boxes, no enchanted. So those cards are definitely hard to get a hold of. Got a couple good legendaries, a couple good super rares and rares though. And again, the artwork's just really nice in these
some
cards.
Cool ones we got.
Winnie the Pooh.
Hey. And that Arthur is $17.99.
Oh, not too shabby. Not too shabby.
There we go.
So thanks for joining, guys. Like, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. Wish you all the best. And hopefully you guys, if you guys crack any packs or boxes, you have better luck with the enchanteds. I know they're out there. Somebody's got to pull them, so I hope it's you guys, whoever you are listening. And I wish you all the best. Until next time, have a great day.